जय श्रीमन्नारायण. किष्किन्धाकाण्ड. प्राधीता इव पर्वताः. And also now, as and how boys does Vedadhyayanam, it is looking like Parvatas, mountains are getting ready to do Vedadhyayanam. Oh Lakshmana, there are few black clouds. Within those black clouds, there are some lightning. You know how that is looking to me? Spuranti Ravanasya Anke Vaidehi Va Tapasvini. When Ravana abducted Sita, how Sita is trying to get relieved from the clutches of that Ravana's hands, as and how she is putting all her effort to come out of Ravana. That is how these lightnings are coming out from those black clouds. That is how it is looking. And that is reminding me Sita's piteous situation. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami sharing all his feelings to Lakshmana Swami. Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Lakshmana, "Oh Lakshmana, this Prasravana, the mountain looking so beautiful, because of the rains, the entire earth, all the dust got suppressed and all the winds getting cold. Everyone is resting in their own places. Oh Lakshmana, look at the sky. Clouds are there. Sky is appearing here and there, and mountains also obstructing our vision to see sky. Kvachit parvata sanniruddham rupam yadha santamaharnavasya." Having that sky appearing here and there, and having clouds here and there, it is looking so peaceful, and it is looking like a ocean which has no waves. Oh Lakshmana, all the small waterfalls flowing with heavy stream. Bhumau patati amraphalam vipakvam. Because of the winds, all the fruits are falling down on the earth. And Lakshmana, as and how in the battlefield, when both elephants fight each other, how they roar and scream, the clouds are making that kind of garjanti meghaha, clouds making that kind of roaring sound, and all the peacocks doing beautiful dance. Oh Lakshmana, these clouds, because of the heavy water they are carrying, you know how it is looking? If a pregnant woman walking on the streets, when she gets tired, she takes rest for a while and again continues walking. That is how these clouds, because of the heavy water in them, they are resting on the mountains and again continuing their travel. Visramya punah prayanti. Like that, clouds are taking rest here and there. Oh Lakshmana, on this earth there are so many beautiful greenery, and middle of those greeneries there are few red colored insects. That is looking like if a woman wears a beautiful green saree having some red flowers here and there on the saree, how a woman looks. So also this Bhumi is looking like it is wearing a beautiful saree, green saree. Oh Lakshmana, and now Nidrasanaihi Kesavam Abhyupaiti. Srimannarayana will be slowly getting into his yoga nidra. And now it is the season for all the rivers to flow into oceans. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.